Welcome back. So I'm on part 2 of this financial mathematics, still on grade 11, right? So I'm dealing with loans. So also I think I'll also do one of the grade 12 that is focusing on loans as well, right? So we're having this question now. They said Zafar receives a loan which he plans to pay back in 3 payments. So what is the amount of the loan? We are not told, so it means that our loan is just equals to X. So he plans to pay 4,000 in 2 years' time. So the 4,000 comes in 2 years, after 2 years. And also 8,000 in 4 years' time. So we're also going to have 8,000 in 4 years. And lastly, we are going to have 6,000 in 5 years' time. So 6,000 is our last payment, which comes in 5 years' time, right? So it means that if we are trying to draw that timeline, it means that we are going to do something like this. Or we are also told that the interest rate is 10% per annum compounded semi-annual. So it means that our interest was not changing. It was just 10%. So semi-annually is divided by 2. And they say calculate the amount of money that he receives as a loan. So we are trying to calculate this loan like this, right? So again, when you are drawing this timeline, remember what I told you. I say that whenever you are drawing a timeline, take money in a perspective that you understand. You can take this money as the perspective of the person that took the loan, or you can take this money as the perspective of the bank, right? But if you're taking this money as the perspective of the person who took the loan as Zafar now, it means that we are going to have something like this. So it means that this loan was paid in full in 5 years. So we're going to have T0, T1, T2, T3, T4, and lastly T5. So let's see what happens. So at T0, it means that he received a loan. Like I said, if he's receiving the loan, so it means that this loan is a plus to his account. So it's a plus X. But now when he's paying back the money now after 2 years, it's no longer a plus to him, but it will be a minus to him because he's paying back, right? So after 2 years. And then after 4 years, he paid 8,000. Also, this is a subtract to his account, like that. And after 5 years, again, this is a subtract to his account, like that. So we are going to take this and put it in the same breath, right? So we are going to create an equation with all these. And I also say that if a person is paying back the loan, it means that the accumulated amount after the whole period, it will be 0. Since he is paying back the money, so it means that the balance remains 0 after paying all the money in full, right? And our interest was not changing. It was this throughout. It was the same, right? So creating our equation now, it means that our accumulated amount, which is 0. So we can just write 0, right? So 0 as our accumulated amount will be equals to this money, which is X. So X, which stayed for 5 years. So this is 1 plus 0.10 divided by 2. So 5 multiplied by this 2 gives us 10. And then we can say minus 4,000, which stayed for how long? 1, 2, 3 years. So 1 plus 0.10 divided by 2, and then 3 times 2 giving us 6. Also minus, now we are going to the 8,000 now. So this is minus 8,000, 1 plus 0.10 divided by 2, which stayed for only 1 year. So 1 times 2, which is 2. and also minus the 6,000, which didn't stay for any period of time. So this is our equation like that. Now we can solve for x. So it means that we can take that whole situation this side, or howsoever you wish to solve your equation. But at the end, we are going to have a situation like x will be the same as 4,000, 1 plus 1, 0, 1, 0 divided by 2 to the power of 6. And then we are also going to have plus 8,000, 1 plus 0.10 divided by 2 to the power of 2, and plus 6,000. And this whole situation will be divided by, so this whole situation will be divided by 1 plus 0.10 divided by 2 to the power of 10. And once you substitute everything inside the calculator, we are going to find that our x is equals to just 12,389. So he took out a loan of 12,389, like that. So this is how you can deal with the loan situations. So if you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and share, guys, if you enjoy this content. I hope to see you again on day 19 if you're in grade 11. But if you're in grade 12, just stick around a bit, because I'm going to do also a grade 12 loan problem. Have a lovely day.